Hi guys, I'm back from my little maternity break. Excuse this crappy setup because everyone's asleep, it's late at night, and this is the only place that I have to film. But I couldn't wait to get this filmed and up because I was sent the new MAC Studio Radiance Serum Powered Foundation. What? I was not sent this by MAC. I wish I were on their list because that would be amazing. If you guys have never heard of Influenster, I was sent this by them. I've been on there for the past year now. It's this community where you can join to review products ranging from beauty, home, gardening, everything, electronics. And the more you review stuff, the more you can get chances to get cool things sent out to you, like this MAC foundation. Anyone can join and you can get free products from there. So if you guys want to join, it's completely free and there's no catch. I'll leave my invite link down below for you guys if you want to check it out. Along with the foundation, they also sent me the MAC Fix Plus Stay Over Setting Spray. Yeah, I've never tried this before, so I'm really excited. Let's get the info spiel over with. You get 1 fluid ounce or 30 mils of product in this bottle. It costs $62.50 Canadian. I'm gonna read the back of the box so I don't mess it up. This is medium buildable coverage. It gives you a radiant glow finish, 12-hour wear, transfer resistant, non-creasing, non-caking, does not clog pores. You're gonna be hydrated, plumped, dewy, all the goodness. I got this in the shade C4.5, which in hindsight, I should have probably got like an NC35 or something because I thought the C was gonna be a bit more olive, like my Studio Radiance Face and Body. But it's not, it's a little bit more peachy. So we'll see how that works. I'm gonna use this with a brush on one side of the face and a sponge on the other side. Oh, and I have nothing on my face except for my hydrating serum, moisturizer, and my brows done, and a little bit of lips. So I took about 1 pump here. Gonna go in with the brush. Let me turn the brightness down so you can see a little bit better. Let me bring you a little bit closer so you can see even better. Okay, so it's going on really smooth. That's really nice. I'm gonna try and not talk as I do this because I will mess it up. Okay, so it's not the worst color match. It's definitely peachier than my olive skin tone, but it's okay, we can make it work. So this is definitely like a light to medium coverage on first application. Bear in mind, I do like to use a little bit of product at a time. I go in thin layers and the brush sort of shears things out. So to me, this is a light to medium coverage right now. But I'm gonna go in with another layer just to build it up and show you guys. So I lied, that was not 1 pump, that was like half a pump. I just wasn't paying attention. So yeah, going in with the second layer here. You know, what the heck? I usually do take my foundation under my eye to just cancel out some of the darkness. I don't really color correct anymore because I'm lazy. Okay, so that is 2 sheer brush layers, and that I would say is a good medium coverage. It is really smooth. It's pretty luminous, but not like grossly luminous. It does give you a really nice plump looking glow, which I really like. The consistency felt really creamy to blend, but not like super thick creamy. It was very light and serumy, but still creamy somehow. Felt really luxurious. And we're gonna go in with the sponge on the other side. So to me, the sponge didn't give more or less of a coverage than the brush did. I would say with 1 layer, it is like a light to medium coverage on my skin. Bear in mind, it's a serum foundation. Sponge probably did soak up some product. Forgot to do my forehead. Yeah, it's really beautiful. No complaints. I'm gonna go build up that second layer right now. So there's the skin. My gosh, it looks so beautiful on camera. I also did check in the mirror. I went to the bathroom and checked in that mirror. First impressions, it gave me really beautiful medium coverage. It looks exactly like my skin. It blends into the skin really realistically. This is supposed to have a skincare base, so I'm not surprised that it sinks into the skin really well. Here is a close-up of my skin. What do you think? To me, oh, let me turn the brightness back up. To me, it's also smoothed out my skin really well. Like, I don't really have a lot of visible pores, so I can't tell you if it's gonna smooth out your pores, but I do struggle with some texture and I don't feel like this is emphasizing any of that. You know how there are some foundations that will actually make your skin look a little bit worse? Well, I feel like this foundation does make my skin look a little bit better. It does look more plump, more smoothed out, more radiant, not in a gross, greasy way. I mean, I look extra greasy right now because of the lights flashing off my face. Here's the lights turned down low again so you guys can see. So I'm gonna go do the rest of my makeup and I will come back and give you my final thoughts. Okay, so that is the finished look. I love that it maintained its luminosity and its plumpness. I only use setting powder through the center of the face, so like the T-zone really. So you still have all the glow from the foundation on the rest of the face, and I think it's still kind of peeking through the powder. I didn't use a lot. I'll give you a slow view. There it is. It's stunning. The skin doesn't look makeup-y at all. I did use a full coverage concealer through the center of the face, so it added a bit more coverage to it, but the rest of the face where there is just the foundation, it's gorgeous. I'm not gonna do the swoony thing and tell you this is the best foundation in the world and that you have to have it, but it's really, really good. The thing with MAC is they do complexion products so well. I mean, they do everything really well. But when they release a complexion product, it's really special. So I'm not at all surprised by the quality and how nice this is. Oh, here's up close. It's still very luminous, very smooth. Yeah, it's really nice. Like, this is not even an average foundation. It's a really, really good foundation, guys. It's so flattering on the skin. Doesn't make you look gross, doesn't make you look oily. At least for me, I think if you're oily, maybe you might want to stay away from this, but I have very, very dry skin. So this I love. I think this would look really good on mature skins as well. I feel like even if you're oily, if you prep your skin accordingly for this foundation, it might work. I would just use a mattifying primer through the T-zone. Honestly, I could talk forever, but you see this. This is really beautiful. My skin is plump, it's glowing, it's smooth, it's flawless. Now, because this is bedtime, I don't know if I can give you a wear test. Or could I? Dare I keep this on all night? I am a mom, so I have on the occasion not washed my makeup off at night. So because I love you guys, I'm gonna keep this makeup on all night. Yeah. Because my kids still wake me up a million times a night, my face should stay relatively intact. So first thing when I wake up in the morning, I will give you guys an update on how this held up. You guys are gonna see my morning face, but hopefully this will make it look much nicer. Gosh, I forgot to even try on that setting spray. All right, so I decided that because I want to give you guys a fair wear test of this foundation, I am gonna spray this setting spray on one half of my face. Which side do I sleep on the most? I think it's this one. So I'm gonna spray this side here. Check it up. See the mist? Okay, let's see if I can like do this. Smells smells like a setting spray. It's a pretty nice fine mist, really refreshing. This is supposed to be slightly moisturizing, so I do feel like it left me a little bit more of a hydrating glow on this side. I think just for the sake of it looking the same, I'm gonna just powder down that T-zone. I didn't pick up any extra powder, by the way. I'm just using what's on the brush. And then bring that opacity back for the blush. So I think that looks pretty much the same now. So come morning time, I will check in with you guys and I'll let you know how it held up. See you tomorrow. Okay, so it is officially about 11 hours since we last spoke. I tried my best to not sleep on my face, so I was sleeping kind of sitting up slightly. I had kids touching my face occasionally. So the makeup is completely still on. The blush, bronzer, the colors have faded, but the actual foundation and concealer are still mostly on. So aside from like my eye makeup and stuff running a bit, I think it's worn off a little bit in the nose. You can see it's looking patchy, but again, this has nothing to do with the actual normal wear of the foundation. This is because I was sleeping in the foundation. Yeah, so normal dryness around this area that I get when I sleep, but in my cheeks and forehead, it seems to be pretty good. I think this test would be even more fair if I did wear it completely through a normal day. So once I do, I will leave an update down in the description box below for you guys. And in the meantime, please go over and follow me on Instagram and TikTok because I will be making short videos about this and many more products to come. And I do make way more content over there. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when my next video goes up. Thanks for watching. Bye.